Following hard and fast on the turbulent International Year of the Nurse and Midwife 2020, International Nurses Day 2021 gives us an opportunity to reflect on and remember those individuals we have lost. We also take stock of the enormous contribution nurses and the wider professions are making to healthcare service delivery.
This year's themes, Nurses a Voice to Lead and a Vision for Future Healthcare, reinforces the vital role that nurses play in providing safe, person-centred and compassionate care across their lifespan, in ways which matches the needs of the populations that they serve.
A focus on service users and carers' experience of the quality of care they receive, illness prevention, well-being and engagement of the workforce and delivery of prudent healthcare reinforces the need for the voice of nursing to be at the forefront of services.
Expertise starts with the next generation of nursing students as they progress towards their professional registration, and the inspirational, formative supervision and assessment that's so fundamental to nursing students' understanding of their role in future healthcare delivery.
As we enter the next phase of the pandemic, nurses in Wales and internationally are continuing to make a huge contribution to the delivery of care across health and social care sectors. By organising and supporting the redesign of services, embracing innovative ways of working that have emerged as a result of the COVID-19.
Compassionate leadership, collaborative ways of working, appropriate staffing and the digitalisation of healthcare are key components that will enable nurses to successfully navigate the way ahead.
Whether commissioning quality healthcare education, undertaking transformative programmes of work, exploring new models of care or shaping the workforce, nursing continues as an innovative and vital profession.
So, on International Nurses Day 2021, as we move into a further period of healthcare history, HEIW would like to take this opportunity to thank all nurses and wider healthcare workers for their dedication, passion and commitment to ensuring a positive future vision for healthcare.